The following video is a demonstration of the Fatal Vision Alcohol Marijuana Combo Goggles. The Fatal Vision Alcohol Marijuana Combo Goggles are available in kits that include activities to demonstrate the amplified impairments experienced when combining alcohol and THC use, including distorted perception, poor motor coordination, slowed decision-making, and delayed reactions. To model these impairments, the Fatal Vision Alcohol Marijuana Goggles impair a person's ability to discern specific colors accurately. This feature helps demonstrate diminished perception, slowed decision-making, and the potential consequences of driving under the influence of those impairments. The goggles also use a unique lens technology that causes the participant to experience a loss of balance and targeting skills, impairing their motor coordination and reaction times, as well as impairing a person's cognitive perception. The activities included with the Fatal Vision Alcohol Marijuana Combo Goggles require participants to react quickly and accurately to visual cues, just as is required of a driver on any roadway. These activities demonstrate the potential impact of combining these substances. Be sure to view our specific activity demonstration videos for the Fatal Vision Alcohol Marijuana Combo Goggles. For more information, visit our website at fatalvision.com or call us at 800-272-5023.